Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and gratitude that we stand before you today to reflect on the incredible journey that the Hispanic American Police Command Officers Association, HAPCOA DR, Faith and Blue, has undertaken throughout 2024. This year has been a testament to our unwavering commitment to service, solidarity, and compassion. Under the guiding principles of HAPCOA Faith and Blue, Dominican Republic Charter, we have continued to leave no one behind, ensuring that aid and support reach those who need it most. We extend our deepest appreciation to all our collaborators and supporters who have played a pivotal role in enabling HAPCOA Faith and Blue to accomplish its mission. Your generosity, dedication, and tireless efforts have made it possible to deliver donations, resources, and hope to countless individuals and institutions. A special acknowledgement goes to Lieutenant General Carlos Antonio Fernandez Onofre, Minister of Defense of the Dominican Republic. His commitment to supporting our mission has been invaluable. We also recognize Brigadier General Pablo Roberto Jimenez Sanchez, President of the Retirement and Pension Funds Board of the Armed Forces, and Lieutenant Yami Benjamin Moreda, ARD, who supported the reception of a container of donations facilitated by HAPCOA DR Faith and Blue. Furthermore, General Jimenez Sanchez honored the exceptional work of HAPCOA DR members, recognizing their commitment and outstanding efforts in positively impacting lives across the Dominican Republic. To all our members of the HAPCOA DR Charter, thank you. Former President Angel Maria Valentin Diaz, your dedication in 2024 was remarkable. Fulvio Emilio Grullon, Penso, Johnny Castro, Angel de la Rosa, Yami Moreta, Rafael David Sanchez Gomez, thank you for your tireless contributions. This recognition underscores the significant difference we are making for individuals in need, including those who once contributed greatly to society. We are proud to acknowledge our efforts in sending containers of donations to El Salvador, 3 full containers of medical supplies, Bolivia, Guatemala, Honduras, and Peru, where we provided essential donations to support the fire department. Your bravery and dedication to protecting your communities inspire us to continue our mission. In the Dominican Republic, we witnessed the power of faith and unity as Pastor Rey Hermoso and the Assembly of God received a container filled with donations. These resources were distributed to regions across the country, reaching the most vulnerable populations and providing much-needed relief and support. This accomplishment highlights our commitment to exchanging best practices, ensuring that we not only deliver aid, but also foster collaboration and sustainable solutions for the future. We would like to take a moment to recognize the exceptional leadership and dedication of Alex Zonca, Faith and Blue Latin American Ambassador, and Alberto de la Rosa, Latin American Logistics Director of HAPCOA DR. Your vision and determination have been the driving forces behind our success, and we are deeply grateful for your contributions. As we accelerate into 2025, we remain steadfast in our mission to expand our outreach, strengthen partnerships, and continue impacting lives through faith, unity, and action. Together, we will keep breaking barriers and building bridges to create a safer, more compassionate world. To every volunteer, donor, and supporter who has been part of this journey, thank you. Your belief in our mission fuels our drive to serve and uplift communities. Let us carry this momentum forward and continue to make a difference. A special thanks to all HAPCOA members around the globe for your unwavering support and dedication. HAPCOA 2024, mission accomplished. No one left behind.